Okay, okay, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go over again. Overall market direction is sideways. We have a 24-point structure minor channel. It's the first one that we're gonna be playing. 24 is good. It's good enough of a size, right? And then clean break of 98. We have 600 right there. That's easy, right? 600. It's a psychological level, but aside from being a psychological level, it's also a prosadical level. All right, the 600 right here. So a clean break of 98. 98 is the high of this current bearish wave. All right, so it's not gonna be easy. The trip to 610. It's not gonna be easy. Two reasons, right? Reason number one, 98. We are in a bearish wave. All right, and the wave high is 98 and the low is 90. So that's an 8 point, but of course we give it the other two for the 600, right? But it's a bearish. Okay, this 98 is a strong bearish setup. So short term break of 92. 90 is gonna stop it because it's the low of the wave. However, because we are in a bearish wave, we are expecting the price to break it and continue to 86. That's where we are exactly right now. Time right now, 9:27, 3 minutes to open. All right, so we have every single, all right, we have every single option cover, all right, every angle. We know exactly what to do. Open. We've seen the open destroy all levels easily, right? Which level do we have to be 100%? Know that we're not always 100%. Which level we need to be really looking at? 600 right here. It's a psychological level also, and this is the level that all the retail traders are expecting for the price to recoil, right? All right, that's easy, everybody. Here we go again without worries. All right. Okay, so here we come. Market is dynamic. We know that whatever we say, it can be, we can change it on a drop of a hat, no pun intended, because the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. But this is what we have up until now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 9:28, 2 minutes to open. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's 98 quarter, isn't it? Right? 98, right? Okay, 98. 98 quarter. One tick above above the high of this bearish wave. Oh my God, yeah. Oh my God, it took, oh my God, back to 98. I know. That's exactly how it is. All righty. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. Almost 600. That's right. We know that a clean break of the high, right? It's a bearish wave, and that's why the price completely stopped it at 98 quarter, right? This is a bearish wave, though. Like I said before, and like I always say, this thing can be destroyed so easily, and that's why a clean break of 98,600 price will continue to 610. Okay, price goes to 99 half. So our 98 still holding, right? The short 98, 99. If you wanted to give yourself a little bit of room, you know that this is a bearish wave, right? You've known it for half an hour since I've been telling you, right? Okay, so price cannot break the high of this wave, right? It goes, try to, then it comes right back to 96, and then it goes to 99.5, and it got to go back to 95. Those of you who took a shot short the high of the wave, which is exactly what I asked you, you know, what I asked you to do. What I said the price is going to do whatever you want with the information that I give you here, right? Okay, you are the trader, not me, all right? All I do is tell you exactly what the market's gonna do, and what, if somebody was to play it, what's the best, you know, thing that you could do, you or anybody. Yeah, it's up to you whether you do it or not. 98, 99, holding, you know all of this. So now that the price is nicely holding, right, and look at it, right? Those of you who took a shot 99, price just went to 95, 4 points, and chop, right? Okay, so this is a choppy open. Oh my God, choppy open. Yeah, that's right. That's what we have. It's a choppy open. All right, no problem. You know that a clean break, right? So you're not gonna put with any shenanigans, right? You're not gonna add to you're not gonna add, because you know that a clean break of the high, it's gonna go up 10 more points all the way to 606 and 10. That's where it's going if it breaks to the upside. In the meantime, we are short the high of the wave. I mean, it can be more simple, right? Even the teenagers know that. What else do we know? Well, we know that that there is a surprise move that is going to be is going to be a pullback of this current uptrend. We are in an uptrend, right? That's why the price is looking to go to 610. Right? We are in an uptrend, and that's why the price is looking to go to 610. And like I told you, 98 is gonna be the deciding factor. 98. We're gonna see the price above 98 or below 98. Right now it's below 98. We took a shot short, and we are expecting, we want, right? We want the price to continue going all the way to 92. Price goes right back up. We get the hell out, change hat, buy support, and ride it to 610. Everything I said since 9 a.m. That's where we are right now. Okay. So the longer the price doesn't do what we want, then of course we are cautious and we're careful and all that stuff, all that good stuff, all that good stuff that we like, right? We have an appetite for risk. That doesn't mean that that doesn't mean that we're careless, right? We're aggressive, but we're not careless, right? Taking 95, that's pretty good. Testing 94, right? That's +5. That's 93. That's +6, right? You know how many people, traders that don't know the importance of this area of supply. Those who thought that this thing was going to continue going up, they're scared right now. They have no idea. They have no idea. Just 91, that's pretty good. Remember, 90 is the low. So if you are extremely aggressive, right? If you are extremely aggressive, we know that 90 is the low of a wave, right? But this wave is a bearish wave. If it was a snake wave, if it was a sideways, then we give it a shot. We are expecting a bounce off of 90. Not that it's not gonna bounce. I don't know. Look at it. Already did, right? Look at that. Is that 90? 90 quarter, right? Couldn't take it. It could not take 90. The low of our wave. Yes. We don't want to buy it. It's too risky because we are expecting the price to eventually take it and continue to 86, just like we've known for 45 minutes. And then we'll take it from there. All right? So we're not ready to we're not ready to buy 90, even though it's the low of a wave. But this wave is bearish, so we're not gonna buy it. If it was a snake, yes, we did. Yes, we would, but it's not. If it bounced, let it bounce. All right, we are concentrated on the main play, which is short, and what we are expecting is that this drop is the one that is going to take us to. We are expecting that this drop is the surprise move. All right, that's what we want. All right, this to be the surprise move. All right, the one that I've been telling you all morning long. All right, so look at that 90. That's, you know, that's some ballsy bulls buying that 90, or, you know, strict scalpers that know the importance of 90, and then they'll just take it, right? Period. And then, you know, they look at that 90 all the way to 92. They're up 2 points. That's not bad for a scalper, right? You're trading 15, 20, 35, 40, 50 contracts, you're done for the day. With this little move all the way to 93. We, on the other hand, I don't think that any of us had that big of an account, so we're going with more direction. Okay, that's what we're doing. All right, so is 86 target one? Yes, it is. Oh my God, really? Yep, that's right. So we are going to be looking for a counter trend long 86. We're going to be looking for it because remember, we have a bearish surprise move. It could be a lot more than 86. Look at that. Look at the low of our wave. Look at it. 90. Razor sharp entry. Look at that. Look at it, right? Right? Okay. So we have to see what is this? Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this bounce? Is it real? Is it another trap? This move from 90 to 98, is it a change on the overall market direction, the medium term, the long term, the short term? Is it real, right? Okay, we go to the market mood now. All right, remember 610, right? Okay, so the market is doing, those of you who are paying attention, look what the market is doing. I told you, right, about 15 minutes ago, we're looking for the market to respect our levels. Yes, we decided not to buy 90, right, because we wanted a continuation to 86. Well, tough luck. But look how it totally bounced off of our low. 90 is our low that we wanted the price to break it. Look at this beautiful move from 99 to 90, right? So we make 9 points here, and we wanted to make more. We wanted to make 4 more to 86. Bam! All of a sudden, nasty, erratic action. Bounce the price. It took 96, which is not that big of a deal, actually. It took 98, right? We never let a winner turn into a loser, right? We just made 9 points here. Price goes back. This violent spike takes your trails. It goes back up to 600. Remember 600? 98, 600. So now we are in a 2-point no man's land. 98, 600. 98, 600. Alrighty. Price cleanly took 98. Right? Look at this. 98. So now 98 was resistance. This is trading 101. Now 98 is support. Okay, he clean took it. Of course, we knew if we didn't have here a psychological level 600, it was already on its way to 610. But we are in no man's land right now. Okay, so what's the worst that can happen? Here, the price start hugging 98. If the start hugging 98, it's gonna be a pain in the butt because we have to get in, we have to get out, all right? And we change hats to bull because 40 minutes ago I told you that a clean break of 98, price will look to continue going to 610. So the main play short that we took short 99 that gave us 9 points, it's over. It's being invalidated. And you can see it right in front of you. Why? Because you saw the confirmation that which is price action. A clean take of 98 invalidates whatever bearish position you have. You change hats because now we believe that the price is going to go to 610, right? Guarantee, of course, now. We all know that. So what's the worst that can happen? Oh my God, that this thing start hogging 98. That's going to be a pain in the butt, right? But now we believe that the price is still on its way to 610. And then what is going to invalidate our forecast? A clean break of, yes, you guessed it, 98. Okay, clean break of 98, then it's gonna be a pain in the butt for everybody. Bull, bear, snake, kangaroos, weasel, turtle, everybody. All right? Why? No follow through and erratic action, erratic move, and then so keep what you already, these 9 points that we already made, you make sure that your P&L stays green. That's number one. All right, here we go. All right, so, oh my God, 98. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, remember, I am expecting a drop. That surprise, bearish, we're gonna have, it's gonna be a surprise for everybody else, not for us. I call it a surprise move because it's gonna, I'm telling you, most traders, they're not expecting a significant pullback. And I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I am expecting it. All right, no problem. In the meantime, we continue trading what we see. All right, what did I tell you a little while ago? Hugging 98. Look at that, hugging 98. Oh my God. Yeah, that's right. Okay, hugging 98. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Let's continue watching here. All righty then. So, okay, so we still are of the belief that that now, right, the bearish main play has been invalidated, and we are on our way to 10. That's what we think, right? And we are letting the market telling us step by step if it's going to do what we already knew. All right, so we trade, and this is, in my humble opinion, how it's the only way to trade. Right, you have to do a combination. You need to know way before it happened what the options are, right? What's the market angle, what the market is looking to do, and then when it does it, you're just following something that you already know, right? So price went down, we went short with it, we took that nice 98, 99 short, gave us 9 points. We decided not to buy 90, right? Because we believed that the market was going to break it and continue to 86. It didn't. Oh my God, really? All right, but we're watching it, aren't we? Then the price goes up 10 points in a couple of minutes, and then he said, let's see if this is real. Boom, yes, it broke 98. Oh, okay. Main plate short invalidated. Now we change hats to bull, and now we believe that the price is gonna go to 610, right? So in other words, smart money it's been looking to go to 610 all along, but they needed to take the weak bears, because remember that all the weak bears, they all have their stop where? Right here. What do you think? 94. So smart money came, took all the stops of the bulls. We took advantage of that nasty move for the bulls. We went short. We had bulls, and we shorted the high of our channel. We ride it all the way to 90. Then boom, then the price goes, breaks 98. We change hat, and then we go. We change hat. Right? Now we are long, expecting the price to continue to 610. Right? Everything, and we knew all of this. We've known it since 9 a.m., right? Because I told you. All right, so price goes to 98, hugs 98, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. 8 minutes hugging 98. But we know that the direction to be is up. As soon as the price destroyed 98, right? It didn't destroy it, but it totally took it. Then we knew that the bulls took control. A little pullback here, 98, below 98, right? Paying in the butt that 98, because we wanted the break to give us 610 on a straight line. We all know straight lines are rare. However, direction is king. So as long as we believe that the price is going to 610, then we remain bullish. All this 98 and below, right? We remain bullish. We remain bullish, believing that the price is going to 610. All right? Okay, so the price goes and pull back. From where? Well, price goes all the way to 600, right? 601. Pull back to 95. Terrific. 95, 98. Cannot take it. When the price bounce back and takes 98 again, you know that the odds are that it's going to continue to 610 until I tell you otherwise. So you are long now, and now the main play, our main play, is long to 610 that we've known since 9 a.m. this morning. All right. Remember, 606. I told you, right? Okay. Yeah, it'll go to 610 by way of 606. Remember when I told you that? By way of. Okay, by way of 606. Alrighty. Okay, good. So, oh my God, yeah, terrific. All right, price goes to 604 and change, almost 605. We all know that, 606, right? I told you 606 a long time ago. It's a by way of. A lot of bulls, they're going to log 606. But we believe that it's going to continue to 610. So we're not, well, of course we can log 606 depending on your position size. Every trader in the world has their unique, position size. You can be long 10 contracts, 5, 15. God only knows, right? So depending on your position size, and that's why my job is to tell you not only where the price is going, but how the hell it's gonna get there, so that you make a decision as to whether you want to log 606 or you have the coconut to let it ride to 610. There is absolutely no reason at all to be all out of that long that we are currently, especially after we have to change hats, which is the most difficult thing for traders to do. All right, and remember, 610 is target 1. Remember, the market is dynamic. Yes, we believe that the overall market direction is sideways, but you know that the market is dynamic. It can change anytime. Take 610 and go to the moon today. We don't know, right? Those are all the tricks of the smart money. Or 610, which is our high of the channel, right? It's a difference between a channel and a wave. 610 is the high of a channel. What does that mean? That means that it's stronger than 98, because 98 is the high of a wave, all right? And this wave is inside the channel. So we are expecting 610, we are expecting the price to reject, breaking 610. We're going to be looking, we're going to be waiting for it, expecting a recoil. We're going to see it. We have to see it. It's a combination of trade what you think, trade what you see, and trade what you believe. And our favorite, which is the only one that we do here, by the way, we don't trade what we see. We don't trade what we think. We don't trade what we believe. We trade what we know. This is very important. The surprise move, bearish, the pullback that I'm expecting is not over. It's not until I tell you, all right, boom, it's gone. That's it. All right. So why am I telling you this? Why it's so important? Because this move to 610 is not gonna be a walk in the park, right? Because I am expecting later on a pretty substantial drop, a real pullback. All right. All right, so in the meantime, so in other words, being long right now is an extremely aggressive position for those of us who believe that, for those of us who know actually that there are odds telling us that there will be a pullback later on. All righty? Okay. So no shenanigans. Tight leash. Buy support until the main play long is not invalidated, right, by pre-statical. Until then, our job, the job of the astute trader, a scalper that is not intimidated and is not easily shaken out, is to be bullish, long, buying support, riding it to target 1, 6, 10. That's the job of the trader that wants to be in alignment with the main play in the time frame that we trade. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So 98, right? Look at 98, ladies and gentlemen. Remember 98? Okay. So price goes all the way to 604. We know 606. All right. Price goes to 604. It cannot even test 06. Pulls back where to? To our 98. Right? So as long as the price is above 98, you are, and when I say you, I'm talking about the astute trader, is comfortable riding it to 10. Why? Well, it's not taking your trail, right? It's not taking it. Boom, is that 606 by any chance? Yes, I believe it is. Right, 595. Yeah. Oh, pretty close, Capi, almost. Man, oh yeah, it's great. Yeah. All right, so look at this. Ready? Okay, and I'm going to tell you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you. All right, so I believe that's 606 to the tick. So what is the astute trader with an okay account. Well, you know what? I'm long. I mean, beautiful, those beautiful traders that went long our support that we didn't, right? Those traders who are long 90 that we wish we were like them. Terrific. 90, 606. So they're up 16 points right now. So the reason I believe that the price is going to go to 610 by way of 606 is because I know that the traders that went long 90, they're going to lock 06. And that's going to make the price to recoil. Oh my God, Capi, how the hell do you know that? I know it. Look, 06, look at the, all right. I know what these people are doing, you know? All right, so 606, they're locking 16 points. Beautiful. We, depending on our account, right, we're only locking 98, 06. Oh my God, 8 points only for those who took the breakout 98, right? Right here, boom. I told you. Oh, 98, I'm going long. We had 5 quarter, right? Not even 3 points of hit, right? We knew that we needed to be long because we knew price was going to go to 610, or we knew that the odds were that the price was going to continue going to the end, that the bulls took control. We want to be with the force in control, the bull. And we have confirmation right here at 98. Price goes all the way to 98 quarter, cannot take it, and it goes a bounce, and then another little rally to where? To 606. And I already explained to all of you why the price is stopping right there. You know why. All right? It's a good idea to log 606, right? But if you're trading, you know, if you're trading confidence money, and you know that that trading is a lot more than just having a terrific system, you know, trading has it's a three-legged stool. You gotta have a system with an edge like no one has. That's we here at Capital Trade Center. But you have to have the discipline to do what your system tells you to do. That's number 2. And leg number 3, well, you gotta do some money management. This is trading 101. Even the teenagers on YouTube know that. And they talk a lot about it. Right? They tell you have to have money management, but they don't tell you what they don't even know what the hell does that mean. All right. Hang in there, my friends. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a little pain in the butt, right? But, okay, so price just went to 02, and listen to this. All right, see, 98 now, it's a 2-point range now, okay? Which is good and bad. 98 is now not 98 alone anymore. It's now 98, 96. All right, this pivot low right here, we don't care. It's nothing, right? So now we have a 2-point 96, 98 2-point area of area of demand. All right, it's 96, 98. 96, 98. So if the price comes to 98, it's going to be a pain in the butt, because then, right, we don't want the price to break 98, but it's not 98 is not it's not that strong anymore. 98 became a 2-point range now. So, oh my God, Capi. So, hey, listen, I'm all out 06, man. And I made my 8 points. I'm pretty happy. You know, as a matter of fact, like 2/3 of my accounts are out, and I just have one more unit to 10. But I don't care what happens because stop break even. If he comes back, I'm gonna be taken out. So this is a guaranteed winner. I just have small position to 610. Okay, right. That's a strategy. That's an okay strategy. And no, but you know what? I'm counting on a pullback. Have the price find support somewhere so that I can add the 2 units that I'm already out here at 606. I wanna put them back, right? So I was counting on the price to go to 98 so that I can add to a winner. My 2 units that I already got out. Now you're telling me that I could take 2 points of hit because it's not 98 anymore. Now it's 98, 96. Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. All right. Oh my God, but that's gee, I wanted to buy a Lamborghini today. Well, not yet. All right. Let the Lamborghinis for the kids on YouTube. We do the All right, Shawnee. So concentration, Shawnee. Concentration, my friend. Concentration, buddy. You ready? All right. It's Friday, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So Friday, the week of the FOMC. Okay. But this is what you should be saying to yourself. Hey, you know what? What? This is amazing, man. What? I mean, if we trade FOMC week the way we traded this entire week, and we are profitable every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're profitable. Right? Profitable, I gotta tell you, it looks like we are pretty good traders. Right? Being profitable FOMC week every single day, and today, right? Not easy. Not easy to do. Okay. All right. So let's go 610. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do 610. And remember, I'm gonna say it as many times need be. Right? I'm just gonna make sure that you do not forget about it. All right? In my humble opinion, my crystal ball says that this up move to 610, it's a fakey. Right? Well, what does that mean? Well, that means the surprise bearish move that I'm waiting for, until I tell you, that's it. I'm not waiting for that move anymore. It's not going to happen, or already happened. It was this one. Until I say that, you have to have it. We don't have a line to draw in our charts because it's a surprise move. I know it's coming, but I don't know when. And that's why I'm drilling in your head. Yes, write it to 610, but no shenanigans. Do not hesitate. Not that I'm expecting a nasty 10, 15 points in 1 microsecond. That's not what I'm talking about. Right? I'm not talking a flash crash. That's not what I'm talking about. Right? I'm just talking about a surprise move that nobody can see. Right? It's different than a hidden trend. This is a move. All right? Okay. All right. Okay. So in other words, calm, cool, and collected, expecting that drop to come, but if it doesn't come, terrific. If it doesn't come, oh my God, it didn't come. Man, Capi, he shouldn't have told us that thing, man. That move never came. And so I was all stressed out the entire section. That's exactly what I want. You to be on the lookout for it. If it doesn't come, terrific. I mean, we're long, right? And 610 is only target 1. This thing can go easily to, hold on a second. Let me tell you where we can go today. And I'm just going to take out the word easily. But let me see. Let me see where the smart money are allowed to take the price today. Give me a second. Okay, right? I told you, right? Protect. Right? Look at this. I don't like it. All right? You see that drop right here? That drop was a nasty drop to smart money. Another attempt to take the stops of those bulls that are determined to go to 610. They don't want you to go to 610, right? They need to destroy you first. That's why I've been telling you for the last 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, Tylich, look at this, right? So we are in prices breaking structure right here, right? On this upward trend line, right? Look at the way it took it, and now this is gonna be a pain in the butt, right? This back to 600, right? 600, 610. All right. This is exactly what I was telling you 4 minutes ago. Right. So remember when I was telling you 98, right? So I told you 5 minutes ago, okay, ladies and gentlemen, Tylich, right? Oh no, Capi, I'm all out the 606, and I'm gonna wait for the smart money to break structure, take the stops of all the teenagers, and then I'm going long your support, so that I can have again 3 more units, because until you tell me that we should, like you told me 5 minutes ago, stay long, and if your trail is taken out, the job of the astute bull trader is to get back in long. Our support 98, 96. Price goes to 98, and look at this turnaround right here. This beautiful turnaround. It took a whole bunch of stops. Boom, bulls came back, just like I told you that this astute trader should do. Those who wants to go to, so this is a twofold. Those bulls that still believe that the price is gonna go to, remember, direction is king. So those of us who still believe, like we've been believing since 9 a.m., that the price is gonna go to 610, then sure, our job is to let it ride to 610, target 1, And in the meantime, if you want to manage your position in a way that that you take little risk, especially today, because remember that the surprise bearish move that I'm expecting, right? Which, by the way, is not this one. This drop from 7 to 98, this 9-point drop, that's not the one that I'm talking about. I'm talking about another one. So you continue buying. So those traders who did what I told you, hey, listen, a good strategy is be all out 06, expect the price to break structure, and then buy our support again, so that you have again a full position, 3 units, right? Our full position is 3 units all the time. And then we peel out target 1, target 2, target 3. That's what we do every single day. And we even do that with the counter trends. Counter trends are 3 units as well. Peel out target 1, target 2, target 3. Right? Counter trends by definition are against the main move, and chances are that we're not gonna get a target 3 on the counter trend, but we have the capability, right? Because we are because we're not scared money, right? Okay. All right. I gotta tell you, to be a top superior day trader, you have to have certain disregard for money. That's a pretty good way to put it, right? You have to have certain disregard for money. That means that you're gonna do stupid things, right? You have to have certain disregard for money, not for your trading skills. Your discipline, no disregard of your trading discipline. Money. If you do, then, and especially if you are expecting the price to break structure, go to your long support. Because remember, beginners, right? Those traders that have been trading only for 5, 6, 7 years only, a beginner, they all they were all taken out. We, on the other hand, we want to go to 610. We're taking advantage of the break of structure by that beautiful support, that beautiful bounce, right? Price couldn't take our support. The high of the 2-point range, it's not a range, the high of this 2-point area of demand, whatever they call it, right? And now we are back at having a full position again. All right? Okay. So the points that we made getting out by way of 06, it's okay now. You can do it again. Price goes to our 98 support, we go long, and then it goes back to 06. What do you think is happening right now? Bulls are locking again 606. 98 to 606, 5, 6, 7, 8 points, and more shenanigans now. Okay, that's exactly what's going on right now. All right. Oh my God, Capi, this thing is never gonna go to 610, man. It could be. We'll change hats. Need be. All right. Okie dokie then. So in other words, we are looking at the same thing that the smart money is looking at. They know that all the amateurs, they have all these trend lines. These trend lines mean nothing to me. Nothing. Other than I know what the beginner trader, any trader that has been trading for 5, 6, 7 years, full time, every day, a beginner, I want to know what they're doing, and this is what they're doing, so I want to know. That's pretty much, and smart money, they do that as well, among all their stuff, to destroy the beginner, the retail trader. That's their job, is to take their money. That's why 99.9% of day traders don't make it in this business. All right, it's not 97%. I've been trading for 36, 37 years, exclusively the S&P 500. And it's not 97% like a lot of studies say. No. It's 99.9% don't make it. That's my humble opinion. It's extremely important. These 10 points right here, ladies and gentlemen, 98, OA, they are extremely. These 10 points, man, are going to define what's going to happen next. Clean break of 98 now. 96 is out of the picture, and it goes to 92. All right. Okay, so clean break of this low right here, 98, clean, right? Then I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 92, and then the bulls are still in control. This is just to destroy the derelicts, right? Bulls are still in control. Break of now, 98, hour 98, clean break of 98 now. Remember, we were short 98, clean break of 98 to the upside, change hats to bull, bull, still bull, clean break of 98, back to bear, because the price is going to continue all the way to 92, and now I'm looking to see if this pullback from 07, right, 07 to 98, now I'm looking to see if this 9 points right here are the surprise bearish move that I've been telling you all day long today that I'm expecting to happen later on. All right, let's see if the price clean breaks 98, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so price goes to our 600. Beautiful, right? Remember, 98, 600, 2-point range, just like we had before. Add to a winner again here, and we have a full position still on our way to 10. Okay, all right then. Okay, remember, smart money, testing everything. Our patience, our courage, our money is testing everything. Hey, Capi, back to 606, man. Is the price ever gonna take it, man? Well, let's see about that. Remember that all the kids, all the millionaire kids on YouTube, this is the only setup that they know. The double top and the double bottom. They don't know anything else. All right. So smart money knows that. It's a self-fulfilled prophecy, But we know better, right? Okay. With all of you, my dear traders, right? Right? So I'm happy for you. There's a great green day for you, great green day for all of you traders. My job is to read the market for you. I'm not a millionaire. I don't have a Lamborghini. I don't have a Ferrari. I don't have a yacht. I don't have a mansion. I don't claim to be the best trader in the world. As a matter of fact, I'm not even a trader. I'm just a little guy that reads the market for you. You do whatever you want with that information. Right? That's it. That's who I am. My job is to read the market for you and tell you exactly what the market is going to do, how it's going to do it, where it's going, how it's going to get there, where is the best place to get in, where's the best places to get out. That's my job. You are the trader. I'm not a trader. You know, that's it. I'm a regular, normal, little guy that just happens to be analyzing the stock market for almost 37 years already, every single day. That's just little me. I don't claim to be a big shot trader. You are. You guys are. Not me. You are a high class, my dear Nas. Thank you very much. I'm here. That's my job. I'm here for you too, buddy. All righty. Thank you very much for the compliment, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, that's who I am. No claiming of a big shot anything. You will never see in any of my videos me surrounded by babes. You're not gonna see that. Or in my Lamborghini, you're not gonna see my mansion. I don't have it. All right. All right. So you're not gonna see any of that in any of my videos. Okay. All righty then. All righty then. So back to 7. Oh my God, Capi, look at. Oh my God, Capi, I'm gonna get all out, man. I'm not going to 610 anymore, man. That's it. I had it. No. Remember the strategy that I gave you. Lock here, but you've got to leave me. Do it for me. You are the trader, remember, not me. I'm just a little guy that reads the market for you. Do it for me. Please. Have a little position still going to 10. All right? Smart money wants to take you completely out. Right? So, scare money, greedy money, right? Impatient money. That's exactly what the smart money is doing right now. I'm telling you, 610, it's only target 1 until we do not get confirmation from Goldman Sachs and Deutsche Bank and the smart money that the up move is over. We have to have still not a small position, This is target 1. You're not once we add it to a winner here, you're supposed to have your entire 3 units go to 10. Get out 1 unit 10, and then let's continue analyzing the direction to see if they're gonna take it above 10, which is exactly what I'm looking right now. All right, so be strong. Okay, yes, you want to take some here because you don't want to put up with this job. I totally, completely understand. You are the trader, not me, right? I'm just a little guy, like I said many times, that I read the market for you. You are the trader. Okay, so you're the one who has to make that decision. My job is to tell you the importance of 606, 610, trail, support, which one is weak, which one is strong, where you should get in to milk the market the best way possible. You came here this morning, and my job is to tell you what the market's gonna do, and your job is to do it. Milk the market. All righty? It's only 2 hours. Come on. From 9 to 11? Gee, that's nothing. Oh my God, it's 11:14 already. Okay, 3 hours from 9 to 12. All righty? All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, correct me if I'm wrong, but wasn't it worth it? Right? Yeah, I know it's only 4 more points. Well, those 4 more points is what make us extraordinary traders. All right? These 4 points that we held. You know why? Because we beat smart money. Smart money took out a lot of beginners and not so much beginners. Look at it. All right, it didn't take us. I'm glad I forced your hand to let it ride to 10. All right, you came here to milk the market, and that's exactly what we're doing, and that's exactly what we're gonna continue doing. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that's 10 right there. Okay, pretty good, right? All righty then, that's at G. 1075. Robbie, I don't know if you know, but I'm going to tell you. Our targets are counter trends. All right? I know I went over that yesterday, the other day. I need you to understand that. The reason 610 is target 1 is because our system here says that that's a very important resistance. And we buy support and sell resistance. So why not sell 10, 11? Why not? It's resistance. So not only we are getting out, right? Not only we are getting out, target 1, the main play, but we are also counter trending it short with a smaller position. So the big Robbie, listen to me because I don't want to say this again. Now, you need to understand this, from now on. All right. So we go our big position size with the trend, but our aim is to take advantage of every single substantial move that the market is going to do. All righty. So in other words, we want to take advantage of the ebb and flow of the market. The market's never going to go anywhere in a straight line. We know that. It's going to go up. It's going to pull back. That pullback, we're going to take it with a smaller position, with the micros if you want. All right. If your maximum position size is 10 contracts, you can take the pullback with 2, 3. All right. I like 3. Okay. All right. Taking a counter trend, we all know is an extremely aggressive trade, right? Play, because we're going against the main force. But not many times, but a good 60% of the time, that counter trend that we take without getting out of our main play. Remember, we're only out 1 unit here at 610. We have 2 more for target 2, which as long as the price continue going up, I'm looking for it right now. I'm waiting for the price to tell me what target 2 is, and I almost have it. Okay, let's see. What the hell is it? Okay, give me 1 minute right here. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, let's see. Okay. Because I don't like to counter trend. It's perfectly fine. There's a lot of professional traders that don't counter trend. All right? Many. Here in this room, we have a tactic that you'll see it works really good. All right. So again, okay, again, okay. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, give me 1 second. Let me see. I'm looking for target 2. All right. Okay, so we take a counter trend, it works, stop, break even, it broke it, get the hell out of it. A couple of micros that you took, we're long from 98 all the way to right, to 10, right? That's 12 points. We can afford to lose a couple of little points right here with the micros, and the important thing is that we still have 2 more units left to go target 2 and target 3. So I'm looking for target 2 now, and let me see what's going on here with 16. Okay, all right. So let's see if 16 is target 2 or is a by way of market, right? So is the price going to continue going up, but it's going to encounter some resistance here at 16. That's what I'm looking for right now. Okay, so that's 14. Okay, so that's pretty good, right? All right, look at it, right? The market finally decided to follow through, and we are managing our long position accordingly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, okay, this is how it's gonna be. All right, it's 18. Okay, so target 2 is 18. However, we have to see how it's gonna get there, right? So we have 18. Okay, all right. These are the levels that we're gonna pay attention to. All right, 18 and 27. Okay, 18 and 18. So that's 18, right? Okay, it's almost right. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, 18 and 27 for now. Okay, 18. All right, so we're gonna do this is a little bit with the action today. Alrighty, okay, so 18 is by way of. All right, oh my God, Capi, 27, that's beautiful, man. We're gonna be able to buy a Lamborghini after all. Well, we'll see about that. All right, so we have. So it's a huge 18 to 27. That's a 9-point range. That's a little bit too much for my taste, right? But today is a very peculiar day. Alrighty? Okay, so today is a very peculiar day. So 18, 27. Okay? Oh my God, Capi, I'm out of here. I'm gonna play golf, man. Oh, are you kidding me? That's it. I'm not gonna wait here all day for this. Listen. You came here to trade. You came here to milk the market. All right? So milk it. All right. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I knew something was going on here. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that 27 was a little. I knew that was way too big of a range, so it's 23. Okay, so go ahead and draw a line on your chart, 23. Okay, all right. So we want to go from 10 to 23. That's 13 points. Okay, by way of 18. All right. This is how the market's gonna move now. All right. Okay. All right. Terrific. Okay. All right. So we're long from 98. Target 110. That's 12 points. Of course, by way of 606, we all know what happened here. And then, right, we are 98, 97, 96 long. So this is right, 10 points from the breakout. And from the 600, 10 points and 13. 10, 13 by way of 18. So 10 points, right? The add to a winner, good for 10 points, right? The 600 right here, 698, 98, 98, 10, so 10, 12 points. And then target 1 and target 2, 18, 23. Oh my God, this is gonna take all day. Well, I don't have anywhere to go, so I'll stay here. I live, time right now 11:30, right? So we all know that right now the official chop begins, but the market revealed itself to us already, right? Didn't it reveal itself to us? All we gotta do now is let it ride, manage position, right? I don't need to be here anymore, right? Just ride it to my target, and and no shenanigans. All right. If we have that that drop, remember the drop that I was talking about a long time ago, which by the way is still there. I kid you not. Then get out. See you Monday. Simple as that. Okay. Goody, right? Goody. Nice breaking right here. Right? That's 16.5. Remember, 18 is going to be pretty similar than 06. Okay? Oops. What the hell is this? All right? 18. Okay, you need to know, remember, my job is not only let you know what the market's going to do, but where it's going and how it's going to get there so that you, the trader, can manage your position accordingly. That's, long story short, it's just simple. All righty? Okay, 16.5. Okay. So pretty much, right? So you have it right here, right? The 606. You saw how the price behaved, all these 606 that we've known since before the open. We already knew about it. Price finally goes to our target 110. Terrific. We had a nice break here, right? Chop. And then we want to ride it all the way to 23. So we want 13 more points from 10. Right, and from our last entry long 98, then we're looking at 25 points, right, for target 2 by way of 18. Okay, so remember. Okay, so you know our levels. Trading 101. Support becomes resistance becomes support. Okay? We know that, especially at this time of day, especially right between 11:30. At 11:30 officially chop begins, but we caught an uptrend, right? And that doesn't happen often. So take advantage of it. Let it ride, and this is pretty much going to be it for me, and of course, so I'll continue posting if I see anything important. I'll continue posting if I see and the most important thing is that drop, ladies and gentlemen. Do not disregard that nasty drop that I'm expecting later on. If we don't get it, terrific, beautiful. We went all the way to all our targets without interruption, right? But those of you who are going to stay trading all day, you've got to watch it. Yeah, and if we don't get that drop before the close today, right? Then, and if you trade the close, watch out for that close, all right? If we don't get it, terrific, beautiful. But watch out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who came here to learn and to make sure that you are trading the real deal, right? Then you do it because you have the coach, your mentor, do it live, real time, period. Live, real time, as it's happening. Other than that, it's not real. If it's not live, it's not real. So always have your coach, your mentor, read the market for you as it's happening and tell you exactly everything that we tell you here. If they don't do that and you ask them to do that, they're going to get mad at you. All the kids on YouTube, they're going to get mad at you. And they're going to kick you out. The minute you say, hey, listen, can you read the market for me for, like real time, to make sure that you buy that Lamborghini with trading money and it's yours? They're going to get mad at you and they're going to kick you out. You know why? Because it's all a scam. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend. And remember, just like I said, if it's not live, real time as it's happening, it's not real.